Okay Google, turn on the lamp. Okay Google, change the color of the lamp to white. Hey YouTube, today we have the Lighting Ever Smart Touch Lamp. This is a great light for your study table or for your bedside. You can control this via your smartphone, Google Home or Alexa, and by touch. I will share with you later on how to do that. The height of the lamp is about 4.33 inches. It's about the perfect height, and the weight is 1.28 pounds. It's very handy. The type of bulb is LED, and there is 16 million colors you can choose from. So imagine any color and you will be able to light it up. The brightness is about 350 lumens. It's actually bright for the room. The material is built of plastic and aluminum. It's clean, stylish, smart, and great modern design. You can put this in any room and this gadget will stand out. Plus, I haven't encountered any problems when I set it up. It was very quick and easy. Brilliant product. I like how the light fades when turning on and off. Inside the box, it came in with 4 things. It's actually all wrapped in plastic, but I took it off. So we have the lamp, the USB charger, the manual, and the thank you note. So how to set up the lights? Okay, first you have to download the LampUX application, and then you have to open it, then add device, click the table lamp, and then you should click the timer icon. It will reset the device, and then hold it for at least 5 seconds and wait till the light blinks rapidly. And then if it blinks rapidly like this, you can now set up the device. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz. If it's 5, it won't be able to connect. So you have to write your password and username, and then connect it. And then after you connect, it will take a while. I just cut the video, so it will be faster, but it usually takes a minute or so. And then click done. Okay, so if you see this bulb, it's turned off. So we have to turn this on. And when you see the colors, now it means that it's turned on. So let's try to change the colors. Okay, yellow, green, purple, teal. If you try to slide the colors, it doesn't change color. So you have to click it one by one. So this is the brightness, and this is the opacity of the color. Okay, so there's a white section here. So this is the brightest white, and this one is I think this is for bedside. So let's lower the brightness down. So this can make you more relaxed during nighttime. And we can go to the scene. So this is you can play around with different color themes. And yes, we can edit here. We can add more colors, which is great, very flexible. And over here on the lower left corner, you can set a timer if you want. And over here, you can set a schedule. And at the upper right corner, here you can rename the name of the lamp. So if you change this name, this will automatically change the name in the Google Home. So make sure it's easier to say, so Google will identify it right away. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, turning off. Okay, so now let's set it up for the Google Home. And then on the upper left side, click the icon plus, and then set up a device. And then click the have some things already set up. Okay, click here, and then scroll down and find the LE Lamp UX. After that, you have to type your username again and password and click link now. and after that you will see this page. Okay, never for this website. Then click authorize. After clicking authorize, it will automatically link the table lamp to your Google Home, and choose this device, and then next, and then after that you can see here on your Google Home that there's a lamp icon. So basically that's it.